Hmm. So I had a nap you can call it. So 1 hour nap you can call it. Right? Somewhere around 10:30 what do you call it? I slept. I woke up somewhere around 12:30 somewhere, and 12 or somewhere around 12 or 12:30. And now the time is somewhere around 13:49. I had a tea outside, got freshened up. And Wi-Fi was shut, so I went to see that Wi-Fi fellow. So I couldn't upload that Vault thing in the morning. So one who copies me, one who has a clone, one who has access to this phone, copies me, right? He is the Vault. Huh? And how many people came after him? No one. Tell me, who is he supporting? The people from petition. Who did he bought those stolen animated papers from? From the people from petition. Getting this? That's it. This much information is enough. I'll speak about the IMEI first. Look, I have to go outside, out in the world, in the sextortion. Already they have made my nudes in the indoor. From Hindenburg's, they've been making my nudes from years. So they were trying to frame me through a clone phone until I go out there and they make nudes from a clone phone which is dead and stolen. What do I care? Who is going to jail? They are or I am? The people from the petition or I am? Because whenever I went there, I used to give email police. So I was going there for pleasure or for job or for work, to catch criminals or to for pleasure. For pleasure, you ask, email police that I am going there for pleasure. You crazy? Because I always knew the dead phone and the clone phone, the dead phone and the stolen phone, their clones will be making the nudes in the prostitution racket, and which they have went till such an extent that they planted phone location in court through Siraj, because Siraj brother lives here, Yasin, in Palava city. No, through Siraj, he did that location thing from here till back here. That's why he desperately wanted to bury this case. So, and the evidences are out there that the land server package is out there. The package which was put by the parent controller is out there. So, when the nudes were made, which is the best part? Get framed or fuck their happiness who tries framing you? Get framed or try to fuck their happiness. Not try to, I fuck their happiness. In this way. Because they have reached till court for like location planting. So, going out in their prostitution racket means they were making nudes from clones. Yeah, clones of dead phone and stolen phone. IMEI same, numbers same. or the stolen phone itself. They will be making it from the stolen phone and the dead phone. So on 19th September, while I was out, that IMEI nudes will be spreaded by the one who day before yesterday night who took my t-shirt and proved that they enter my house, and they proved because of their accusations that 19th September those nudes were spreaded by the same person, the accuser. Hearing this word. 19th September they enter the house, spread the news and they damaged. And those are the people holding those J7 clones. Both the one is the stolen one and one is the dead phone clone. So wherever I go, people from the petition set this team up. They sell the data, in return they get car and all. Car, flat, all this stuff. So, car, flat, moped, shopping and all. But the entire bank transaction holds prostitution. Prostitutes are in the bank transaction. So, going into the prostitution racket means, there will be one more thing. J7 don't films in night vision. If night vision videos are there, then there was a hidden bug. As per I know, J7 don't film in night vision. So if night vision, black and white nudes are there, so it was a hidden bug. It captures people in night vision. So it was not the phone, it was the hidden bug. Neither this phone captures the night vision. So going out there was important, because if it was done inside my house, it would have been easy to prove, but it would have been a little tougher than this. Outside, a dead phone and a stolen phone makes nudes, and that those both the phones follow me with this clone, and the one who copies me has this clone, and the one who put accusation has the J7 and spreaded nudes from Dell on 19th September and damaged it. Because even this territory police has that 19th September event.